Why I choose LCBA. This is Elmer Moreno Cabales, Master in Management of Canadian Public Administration. Choosing a graduate school is a big decision. It is an investment in my future, and I want to make the right choice. So for me, when it comes to pursuing my master's in public administration, the answer is clear. Laguna College of Business and Arts, or LCBA. Their public administration program has a strong reputation, and that I was also drawn to the quality of the faculty. That learning from their insights and perspective is invaluable, bridging the gap between theory and practice. Choosing LCBA was not just about getting a degree. It was about joining a community committed to public service excellence, and a perfect place for me to grow, learn, and prepare for a fulfilling career. Nagsimula ang lahat during pandemic nung merong online na classes ang LCBA. Time natapos ang pandemic, nag-face-to-face. Medyo nag-alangan ako kung itutuloy ko, pero push lang. Time natapos, dahil hometown ko naman ng Laguna, Calamba, malapit din sa akin, kaya tinuloy ko. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda nito, kahit matagal na at malaking school ang LCBA, hindi sila ganun kung magkasantisan. Affordable pa rin. Talagang nakaalalay, nakasuporta sa kanilang mga